Look what I just dug up out of the Mothballs, the Phantom 3. God, I haven't flown this thing in forever, so I'm just going to take it up for a quickie just to see if it still works. I couldn't go over there. There was a couple of old ladies over that way, so I had to just not go as far as I wanted to, but you know, that's the way it goes. Still flies good, guys. Still flies good. It's a classic. It's a classic. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now. Let me put the ATTI mode on now. Okay, I took the GPS off. See how it drifts around any. As you see, it's drifting. Okay. Yeah, this is still a good bird, man. I'm just trying to run some of the battery down, that's all. God, I've only flown this thing maybe once in the last year and a half, 2 years. Man, just never get a chance to mess with it. All that junk. You know, all the junky ass toys. I should just fly this more and forget that crap. You know, the one good thing about the Phantom, you know, and the Phantom 4, the Phantom, they're easy to see, okay? These things aren't, you know, like the Spark. I see this thing here, no problem. This is easy to spot. All right, guys. Man, flew good. I got to keep my eye on it because it's in the ATTI mode. Okay, I got the GPS back on now. All right. Usually it tips over when I land this thing. I'm a pro at tipping over the map or the Phantom and the Up Air 1. I'm a grandmaster of tipping these things over. Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.